It's noon, or 2 o'clock, I'm sorry, after working a few hours in my other shop getting ready for Operation DIO. Someone mentioned that name, and so it just stuck with me, and so I've changed all my videos to Operation DIO. And this time, it's for real. I've cleaned up my bench, kinda. I haven't got all my tools put away yet, but I will. Once I get all the tools put away and everything in order, then I will start tearing this down. I'll tear out the gas tank, I'll tear out all the panels, I'll get some bumper black. I thought I might have some of that, but maybe I don't. Somewhere up there. I don't know. You know, the years go by and I keep buying shit and I forget what I buy, and I guess that's supposed to be like getting old. But at least I know I have something if I need it. I've got 2 new wheels. This is the stock front wheel with the stock front axle, which is 23 years old. That's going to be replaced after I balance the wheels. I'm going to first run them on these Pirellis unbalanced and see what my top speed is, and then I'm going to put on the balanced Metzler tires on the new wheels and see if that gives me a better top speed. Because if you notice a few hundred videos back, I bought a wheel balancer. So that's where I'm at in the shop today. It's a nice day out. It's a nice April day. It's starting to get warm, which I can function in. It's my mom's Cadillac Eldorado or whatever it is. In America, all old people have these. And you know, the older I get, the more I'm beginning to like them, because they're just like a big sofa with a steering wheel if you want to drive for hours. Gyro's working okay. The Zuma's it's got new antifreeze, new oil, and new gear oil, everything in it. Still got to put on a bunch of armor all. It's only got partial armor all. Looks like shit, but anyway, we continue with Operation DIO.